I'm Peter Boumgarden. I'm a professor of practice and strategy and organizations at WashU. I teach a number of courses in the MBA and Executive MBA program. I do research on venture capital decision making and ways in which the structure around an organization impacts its decisions and ability to innovate in its work. So I love being a professor because I love working with students, and I love the energy that students bring to their work. They're energetic, they're excited about the world, they oftentimes bring interesting insights that people that have been too long in the world sometimes miss. And so I can sit earlier on today with a student who's really interested in the future of healthcare and tap his expertise and also his passion to be able to think about how do we engage in this ecosystem a little bit better. I also like working with ideas and then taking those ideas and trying to make them as actionable and practical as possible. And so if we believe that ideas matter, a university is a great place in which that's a way to live that world. One of the things that most excites me about WashU and Olin is navigating and building upon the centers of excellence across the school. And so there's a number of programs that we are initiating and building across this broader school that get at that sort of benefit. One example is our Emerging Business of the Arts program that's really trying to help artists think creatively about the actual entrepreneurship behind their particular ideas. There's a number of programs as well in the Center for Experiential Learning that we're working at the intersection of the med school as well as the School of Business. And we think there's some really creative ways to get our students wrestling with, in both research and practical experiences, the future of healthcare more broadly.